So we will be making this boat sailing in the water. So we will be doing watercoloring after the drawing. You can use any color medium. You can use sketch pen also. You can use watercolor. You can use poster color. Anything is fine. Okay. So let's start. Keep your paper horizontal like this. Okay, I'll show my watercolor when I will do it. Okay, first let's finish the drawing, then move on to the watercolor. So you can just take a scale. This is a horizon line in the background. Okay. So you have to make it little up. So this is not in the center. This is the center of the page. So I have made the line little up. Okay. So this is the background. So we'll make the background there. First, let's make the shape. So you can make it freehand or you can just make it with the scale. I'm just doing the bottom with the freehand. So this is just a ziggly wiggly line. Okay. So try to make it little big because it is a 2-story boat. It has 2 floors. Just making a line here. Okay. Just make double line. Okay. So you can erase this line which is in the background. Yes. Because our boat is in the front and background is at the back. Okay. So after this is done, I'm making now the first floor of the boat like this. So this is little smaller than the ground floor. Just make a double line here. And there is a grill for holding. So this is a grill. 1 second. This line is not straight. Let me make it straight. Okay. So this is the grill on top of the roof. Okay. And then we have a flag here. So this is our flag. So we have few windows here. You can draw the window freehand. No need of the scale. Just draw the windows. And a door. Okay. Yeah. So we have one door here as well, a little bigger one, and the handle. So there are two windows here, round one. Just make it double. Okay. So now I'm making the grill for the ground floor. So this is the grill for holding so that you can stand safely. Okay. So then we have background at the back. So little bush, because when you see the bushes and trees from the far, they look very small. Okay. So I have just added few bushes in the background. And there are mountain. So everything looks small when you see it from the far. Okay, so that is the perspective. So 3 mountains I have made, and I have made few bushes, and then there is a cloud. So there is a sun coming from the back of the cloud. So this is another cloud. Okay. So what happened to it? So this was our drawing. Let's move on to the coloring now. So these are the watercolor I'm using. Camel Artistic watercolor. Okay. We will do the outline after the coloring. Okay, not now. Okay. So for coloring, we need a plate, water bowl, brushes, rough cloth, and colors. Okay. So let's start. So I'll just wait for 5 minutes for you guys to complete the drawing. Then we will start coloring. Okay. So hurry up, please. Try to finish your drawing. Okay. So now I'm starting the coloring. Okay. So first I will take I'm just keeping it here so that you guys can see. So don't take too much of water, otherwise your paper will become soft. Okay. So just take little water, very little, just touch it and then take the color and apply it on the paper. Okay, so now I'm doing it on the first floor. Don't do it in the door. In the door we can do brown color. Yes, you can do color of your own choice. So I'm using bright colors. Yellow and orange are bright color. You can use bright colors as well. So I'm doing light brown color in the door. So this is the door and I'm doing brown color. I'm doing orange color here. Use small brush for the smaller areas so that your color does not come out. Okay, so try to do your work neatly. The color should not come out of the line. So use sorry guys, there has been some disturbance. Hope everybody can hear me now. Okay, so let's continue. So I'm doing pink color in the board now. Okay, so now I'll be doing the blue color for the, let me do the red color for the flag first. Don't take too much of water, otherwise your paper will become very soft. Okay. Okay. So now I'll be doing blue color. Okay, you can do blue color. So try to take long strokes so that it looks more smooth. Just wipe your brush before applying on the paper so that you don't take extra water on the paper. Okay. Okay, so this is done. Now I'll do the blue color in the sky. Just be careful that you don't spoil your painting. If you want, you can take small brush for the areas which are very close. Okay. So a lot of blue color in the sky and the water. Patiently, it will be done. Okay, now my blue color is done. So I'm doing green color in the bushes. Okay. The mountains, you can give a little down color. Be careful that your brown and green color don't mix up. Try to do the neat work. It will come out a beautiful piece of artwork. Okay. Okay, so this is done. Now we will do the outline and we will do the color in the window. So window also blue color only. So this is, so take a small brush for the windows since it is a very small area. So I'm just doing the red color here in the circle. So if the color is coming out a little bit here and there, then you can cover it up using the outlining. Okay. So do outlining accordingly if the color is going here and there. So try to do it neatly. Still, if it is up and down, then you can do that. I'm doing the blue color in the top. So use small brush for the smaller areas, big brush for the bigger areas. Be extra careful at the boundaries. Don't mess up your work. Okay. So this is done. Now I'll do the yellow color in the sun. Then we are done Only the outlining is left. I just forgot to do the blue color here, so I just apply it. That's it. Done. Outline with the sketch pen, or you can outline it with the permanent marker as well. So since my color at the bottom is dry, so I'm just outlining it. So do not outline when your color is wet. Just wait for it to dry. It dries up very fast. See, all this drawing and painting, they help to improve your patience. Okay, because you have to do it neatly and slowly. So now I'm outlining the background, and then we are done. So I take paid classes for the watercolor, pencil color, doodle art, caricature. So in case if anybody is interested, please send me the message. The new batch is starting from Monday, tomorrow. Please post your work on the Facebook. Whatever the link is provided to you, you guys are not posting it. Only few people are posting. See, 24, 30 people are joining the session. and only 5 or 6 people post it in the Facebook. So that is very disappointing. We are putting a lot of effort for you to bring the good classes for you. So please post your work. It will be really helpful for us to see how you guys are doing it. Okay. So please post your work or tag us on, if you are posting your work on your Facebook or your Instagram, then you can just tag us. Okay. At the rate of Art Explorer Academy. So I've added water waves. So this is our watercolor drawing for today. I hope all of you have enjoyed today's session. And it is looking beautiful, right? And neat. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. The session is almost over, so I'm just waiting for you guys to complete. See, I have already sent the picture link in the along with the Zoom link. Okay, so there you have to upload. Just click on the link and click discussion. Then just post your picture there on the Facebook. So on the Facebook, my page name is Art Explorer Academy. So the link is already given along with the Zoom link. So you just need to click on the link and post it. Oh, Kavish is already done. Yes, Kavish, nice. You can outline the horizon line, I think, or you forgot to outline the horizon line. Rest is good. Yes, Kashi, you can show me. Yeah, so Shri Shakti is done. Very beautiful work, Shri Shakti. Good job. Very nice, Shaija. So you can complete the outline. I think you have not completed the outline, Shaija. Okay, so this is also looking beautiful, pretty. Shri Shakti, very nice.